All right. Hi guys, I'm done here. It's been, I think, the longest time ever since I did my last stream. So yeah, I did not decide to continue the last development that I did. So now I'm just trying to share what I've been working on. What I've been working on with my company. So alright, so I've been working on this project called MRVR. It's using an Oculus Quest here, if you can see it. So we're using Oculus Quest 2 actually, but at home right now for the development I have the Oculus Quest 1 with me. So I got it to set up with my Oculus Link, which really helps to speed up a lot of the development. Anyways, the idea is that to conduct a rehab session via VR. So my job is to develop all the logics that you need to, how do you say it, make it work. But also this project is going to be multiplayer based, but overall the multiplayer based is because we need to deploy this VR headset anywhere. It can be used anywhere, and the facilitator can also access the same session with the patient remotely, which is going to be really interesting. So I've done quite a few things with the project so far, so I'm just going to quickly change into the Unity session right here. I'm just gonna quickly show how I set everything up. I have a separate laptop over here, so this will be the remote client. So you can't really see the screen, so I do not have the best webcam in the world, but it's fine. So but you can see the client can log into here, and the VR can be logged into here. Alright, no, don't save. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go back to the Unity session. Webcam here, it's pretty small. Yeah, enable this really quick. So you can kind of see what's going on. Alright, cool. Alright, so what do I have so far? Okay. Let's see. See if everything is properly connected first. Okay, I'm not connected to my Quest link apparently. Right. So Quest link is connected. It's currently just loading here. Alright, I'm gonna press play now. You can see it. Alright, oh. Orientation's not right. Nice. Alright, I'm in. Hope you can see my controller here. Okay, so the room name currently is called MRVR686. Alright, so those are just some placeholders to show the sitting and standing position for my 3D team to readjust the scale of the assets later on. So what's going on here is that I need to sign in on this side. So since we have the room number there, 686, I can check here. Okay, the room number is called MRVL 686. So I'm just gonna join in. Boom. You can see the other player. The other player is actually a robot. It's pretty cool. So this will be the facilitator, which will conduct all the remote sessions. So also on the facilitator side, you can actually change the environment. So right now we're in the lobby, and then we're gonna go to our first session, which is this is the first session here. Okay, so as you can see, I still have my placeholder here because we need to set up everything properly. You got some chimes over here that you can interact. And then some light box here. So if I touch this tubes, you can change the colors, and also sort of like a TV. You can change the images here. So all of those things, they should synchronize properly over this side. So now you can see the B on my side, and I can see a B on the client side as well as the color is currently red. It's very menacing. Interesting. I haven't baked the lights as of now. Just okay, it's fine. Alright, what now? I did discover a few of the issues earlier. That's for some reason. Yeah, let me just close this up. One active event system. There are two event system. Hold on. Did I not delete? Okay, I gotta check the event system. Is it more than one? There's an event system here. Do I delete this? Yeah, I am using the new standalone input module. That's okay, because I'm trying to also use I'm trying to use both the new input system and also the old input system, because I've only got like about a week plus to do everything, just really rushing. So at least for the first phase, just to show during an upcoming exhibition that we're having. Okay. So I've separated quite a few of the lists here. You can see there's a few datas that I have to collect. some of this, some of that. Yeah, so I'm also currently using the Ray Interactor because for some reason Direct Interactor doesn't work. I'm really not sure why. I need to create some chime audio, and also I got a few issues that I faced. Oh, actually I fixed this. So I really like to write notes to myself for me to know what's going on. So previously I could not figure out how to get the grab and haptics working for some reason when you're already when the player spawn. Apparently, what I see report. Apparently the XR interaction manager inside the scene and not instantiated together with VR player. Simple as that. So I already fixed this, so it's completed. Chime spring joint, room scale, and object scale. Yeah. So the VR hit is not visible inside of network. Okay, so I'm gonna do that later. Alright, first of all, you need to know that I'm also using Photon for this to make the multiplayer work. It's quite straightforward, I guess. I would say. It was pretty complicated in the beginning, but once you understand a lot of how the callbacks work, it's actually quite easy to do. Although certain things that when it comes to synchronizing, that gets me to have like a massive headache from time to time. Okay, all right, let's start. I'm not gonna go into detail. I'm just documenting what I'm doing here for my own self in the future. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn off my webcam group here. I'll check back here. Okay, so over here you can hear me. Okay. Is it because I turn it off? So if I turn it off, you can't hear me. All right. Oh, that was interesting. Okay. Well, I didn't mean to do that, so I've been ranting all by myself. Anyways, kind of want to hide my face because I don't really want to show that when I'm doing work. But then, how do I do that? Can I just turn the webcam off and the border? Yeah, okay. Does it work now? Wow. Alright. So I've been trying to explain a lot of little things without even enabling my mic. Cool. No worries. Small matter. I'm gonna do like I have to, I guess, for my future self. A summary of how I did everything today. Alright, so got that working, but so apparently the VR avatar and the player setup, this should be both for different purposes. So the player setup is only for the desktop usage, and the VR avatar is, but I really don't like it. It's being called like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename the script VR setup. Of course, I'm gonna get errors, but the error is gonna be fixed just by changing this to here. Oops. Boom. Problem solved. So I'm going back to Valim's tutorial right now. So head rig is equals to rig or transform define. So rig is obsolete. Oh, sorry about that. Just going to change it to XR origin. XR origin. Oh, you can't do that? Why is that? So when I write XR rig, it says that it's obsolete. So I have to use the XR origin component instead. But the XR origin component doesn't work. It's confusing. Let's check out my previous script. No. Why is this? Nope, not that either. Gotta figure it out. Should be somewhere. Is it this? Or is it just this? What class does it fall into? There you go. I knew it, don't need that anymore. Alright, cool. minimize that. Oh, there's no X there. Delete that. Delete that. I'm gonna be right back. Poof. Right, we're back. So let's see if that works. Hold on, just gonna quickly check. Again, I'm not sure if this is the best way to do it, but I gotta know. Gotta know if this works as intended. All right. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, that should make sense. But where's my head? My head's missing again. Huh. It's interesting. Is the head meant to be selected false? But why though? But why am I hiding the head? I don't understand why Vellum is asking to hide the head for some reason. Got it. Got it. All right, now I understand why. So because the reason being is because that I do not need to see my own head, but other players need to see my head. Okay, cool. What? I'm missing something from Valum. I really like this guy though. I made a mind control VR game, cool. Hand presence. Oh, I got it. Oops. Devices. Right hand animator. Cool. Photon. So of course we need to put it on both of these guys. Put in an animated view. I kind of want it to be continuous. Get components. I forgot shit. Oops, didn't supposed to say that. A photon view is mine. Boom. All right, all right. All right, just for the sake of everything, let's just avatar script. I'm just gonna push this. Whoa. Are you not charging? You are, but very slow, huh? Oh, the battery's messed up. Alright, so I've pushed that. Let's check it out on this side. So the desktop player should now be able to see the VR head and hands on their side. So let's see if that works. I can see my hands. No animation is working. Nice. Not what I want really. It's okay. I did not attach the hand presence script, huh? I did not attach the hand presence script. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just try to see if oh no. When I do this, okay. Okay, just realized something that's not gonna work because in the play setup I am telling them that hey, I do not want to see your main camera, but this one did not say anything about main cameras whatsoever. So it's actually messing up a lot of system. That's okay. But where do I attach that actually? Yeah, I do have all of this, but did you not attach it to this guy, or did you attach it to yeah, I think you attached it here, didn't you? Pretty sure you attached it here. Okay, let's just give this a quick try. See if that works. Cool. Works. Alright, so what I'm going to do as well is try it from the lobby. Should be able to see my hands. There's two hands now. Bit confused. Why is that? Touch it here, so it's asking like for each variable item in. It's actually using skin mesh renderer instead of interesting. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Something that I have to look up later on. How do I hide this? Just write it like that. It's actually using a skin mesh renderer instead of a renderer. No, still have it. Okay. It's fine. Figure it out later. It's actually not updating my left hand animator. That's the confusing part, because it should update my left hand animator. This is the one with the animator, right? Yeah. But It's not updating them, even though I've already written it here. Update hand animation. Do I need a hand presence? Not so sure. Alright, it's okay. Alright, it's okay. Now I'm just gonna try again the XR Direct Interactor if it's working this time. It has not been working for the longest time. See, both hands does not have the hand presence. Oh wait. Maybe it's like this. Of course it needs that and it needs that. I've seen a couple of things. This guy. XR origin, yep. No commotion system. I did not have this anywhere. Does he have a commotion system? He doesn't. So what I need to do is duplicate this, put it inside here, delete that, and now my player should be able to move. Not sure if it's gonna work, but it's always worth a try. Whoa, what is this? Are you seeing this? It's lagging like crazy right now. Whoa, dude. Oh my. What did I do? Okay. I have done something wrong. Okay, I think it's something to do with this script. Delete that. Okay, if I play it now, does it work? Or does it still do that? Spawning. Alright. Well, wait, I'm still not moving it around though. Of course, there's no character controller. I'm a bit confused actually. Where do you actually put that script? Okay, I'm just gonna quickly go here.
And this is the one. And there we go, you can see that what we have to package includes. And there you go now, starting from here, it's really easy and follow, and the right hand presents as the child of the right hand.
So I've been doing it wrong. Can I just search for yep, I did it wrong. That should solve it. Hand presence thingy. Yep, solve that. Cool. Just going to change this back to render instead. Okay. No, my player's not moving. One of the reason is this guy has a character controller and I don't. It's not a smart move there, buddy. Let's quickly put one here. Character controller, yeah, there you go. Should work now, I hope. Alright, let's give it a try. Yeah, it's still not moving. Why am I not moving? Can you tell me why? Why? It's annoying that it's not moving. Oh wait. Inactive controller. Huh. Okay, fine. If that's not working, I'm just gonna quickly follow what Valum is doing. Right, so where the hell am I? I'm here. Right. Spawn point is somewhere there. I'm actually following this guy. This guy is the one that has the, yeah, that thing. So I'll automatically map everything there. Okay. It's tiring. Oh my god, it works. Dude, it just works. Oh, I've been trying to figure it out for so long. Whoa. What happened? I really don't know. It just works. Well, that's a first. So the direct interactor immediately works. So then both hands on hover entered. Just put intensity to that much. To that much. If this works, and that's amazing, dude. That's amazing. That one doesn't work. It's touching something. That's huge. That's not gonna work. Did I not adjust the size? I guess I didn't. That's why it's, yep, 0.05. Makes a lot more sense. Save. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I really do not know why when it comes to the template, right, it doesn't really work properly. Huh. Okay, great. Thank you, Vellum. You helped me a lot. Right, so it's gonna be a bit logic here. A bit logic that I have to compare side by side with the player setup. So since the player setup, it's asking to hide the main camera, right? So I actually need to do that too. Okay, but Vellum's method is a bit questionable because I'm not sure if this will work, but this thing is not even charging, huh? It's okay. Because you're referencing to an XR origin that is already in the scene. Can I just put the XR origin not in the scene? I mean, on the player itself. If this works, I solve a bit more problem there. Okay, let's just hide this guy for now, right? And then Right, so balance method is to already have the XR origin inside the scene. My method, I'm trying it a bit differently here. It still works. So far it's working. Let me have a look in the scene view. Can you see? Yeah, you can. Look at that. Nice. Okay. So gotta do a bit of modification here. I don't need the XR origin here anymore. But I still do need the XR interaction manager. Yep. Cool. Alright, resources. Locomotion system, let's push it here. Same as this. Alright, so it's separated. And that's one of the reasons, so I'm just gonna boom, change the forward source to there. Reference, move speed, locomotion system is based on that guy. The origin is that guy, which is wrong, so I'm just gonna change the origin to this guy. Okay, try again. I should now be able to move, but can I still interact properly? That is my biggest concern. Yep, can I have this, please, 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 please? Yes. Oh yes, it works. Yeah, so I was actually having trouble with the XR Direct Interactor for 2 days, so I'm not sure because I use a template from Justin, and I guess I'm assuming that in his template here something is a bit off. It's making it see this direct interactor not working. I really cannot figure out why. That's the XR origin, there's the play setup. So let's just leave the XR origin there. Okay, so VR setup. I don't want you to see my camera. Alright, so let's go with that. Just gonna duplicate this. Got that audio listener. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab that as well. And a play UI. Yes, I'm gonna do the normal setup of how I adjust all these things together. So gonna put this guy in here, put this guy down here. Oh, so this prototype, this particular reason, it's because sometimes I just don't want to sign in. I just want to try in the scene. So I just turn on my prototype function and it automatically signs in and it ignores all this photon view requirements. It's very interesting. So again, this one's gonna identify the XR origin, the head rate is gonna do that. This is just gonna disable the renderer. it's mine. My main camera is gonna be true, but your main camera, you should have the order list in there as well. Play UI. Just need to duplicate the player UI, put it under the XR origin. No UIs yet, but where was my script? Oh, there it is. Boom. Let's give it a try. See if everything's working normally. Okay, it's working. This is still working. Good. Is this working? No. Why is that not working? Should work. Or do I have something on my hand? Yeah, it controls that. No, the main scene. It's in the main scene, right? The interaction manager. Yeah, it should work. Okay, it's okay. Let's just give it a try. Alright, I'm in. Yes. Yes. Alright, I'm able to see the head movement. It's working great. Hand movement. You can see me grabbing my hands. Going up, going down, going up, going down. So I can actually estimate. If I'm moving, yeah, you can see me move. Oh, whoa. Did not meant to do that. Okay, so open up the next module, please. Let's see if this works. It's right in front of me. No, doesn't work. See, it doesn't work anymore. This works, this works. Great, but this doesn't work. I kinda don't want that. I kinda still want this to work. You can see my character going anywhere at all, right? Okay, so what's the cannot, well, what is it? Cannot set field of view on camera with the main camera while VR is enabled. There can only be one active event system. Was it 2 event systems? Is there any event system inside here? There's an event system there. There's also an event system here. Yep. There's an event system here. Copy, delete. The event system will be in the scene. Delete that and just paste it down here. I don't need this anymore. Okay, now I kind of need to know why is my not working. That's not working and this guy's not working. They're both using XR Simple Interactable. So is Simple Interactable not working anymore? Good question. So I'm just gonna remove that, and also this guy. Oh, not that guy. This guy actually. Do not use XR Simple Interactables, but instead use oh yeah, this is XR Grab Interactable. Kinda don't want that, but it's okay. Just gonna give it a try first. Does it work? If it works, then I have to think of something. Now I do not want it to have hover. Oh yeah, it is a hover event actually. Hover entered. So what do I do when hover is entered? Just want to change content. Okay, if my prototype is still working, right, I'm just gonna turn it on and bring in my VR play inside somewhere. It's not the best place to be, so I'm just gonna go back a bit. See if I needed anything else. Pressing play. I mean, oh my god, it fell down. Okay. Yeah, now it's working. I don't know where everything else went, but it's okay. That was weird. What happened to this guy? Why is it using gravity? Okay, now let's just remove this and also remove this again. And instead add the simple interactable. So on hover enter, TV content, TV interaction, and change content. No, do not use gravity, it's just kinematic. Does it work now? I know they didn't do the cylinder yet, but it's okay. Okay, it's now. Yep, it works. So the content can be changed. Okay, now it's just this guy. Do not use that. XR simple interactable. I need to look back at my stream later on. Did I miss out the rigid body? That's why it's not working. I'm assuming so. I got this thing, the light. Hey, where's the script actually? Oh, that's wrong. It's over here actually. So random light color change, color change. I just realized that there is this collider position, collider volume. Same as the TV. Instead of the position, we can calculate the whole volume. Oh, that's so useful, man. XR interaction toolkit it's amazing actually. Makes your life a lot easier. It just reminds me of I think VRTK back then, and then after that Oculus integration came out, so it's a bit more manual. So now it's okay again, I guess. Cool, everything works. Okay, but this one's not gonna work because I do not have any sort of colliders on my hand. That's interesting. How do I do that? Do I make it into an interactable? I think so. So these chimes, it should be interacted with my hand. So it has a spring joint, so it should swing. Okay, so let's try to give all these chimes, all 16 of them. I haven't adjusted it properly yet, but it's okay. So let's just also give it an XR simple interactable. Okay, so it should be interactable. Please work, please work, please work. Minions. But if I take this object here. Oh, it's going crazy there. It's like colliding my bodies. If I do this, it works quite nicely actually. Oops. They're not on my end. Yeah, let's just try to try it from the lobby. If from the lobby it works, then oh wait, that's another character there. Hahaha. Oh, doing some weird shit just now. Got to delete the VR player here. It's trying to be heavy though. That works. This works. Oh, it's vibrating like crazy. Not really sure why. Cool. Okay. Wow. That was really interesting. Oops. Okay. So I got that working. You're able to see the player now. It's interesting how the VR setup here, right? It's following this. Save. Changing the title a little bit. I'm not really sure why though. Okay, so if how it works is actually referencing this is actually just referencing the position of the rig. So should I reference the animation of that rig? That'd be pretty interesting. Alright, let's go back to my main scene here. Okay, we got some balls. There's balls here, right? Should be pretty straightforward. I just want it to be all of it should have this red transparent. So if you interact with it on hover, enter, first last hover, it's hovering. What you do is the mesh renderer, material, same as the rest. But also when hover exited, when exit, the material changes back. Changes back to red, and when you hover it goes to blue. Cool. Yeah, I think that might work. Alright, there's one thing that I want to include from the lobby into the main scene, which is a very important thing for me, is the FPS counter. This is it, right? Where's my FPS? There you go. Got some FPS display over here. So that would really help for me to know exactly what's going on. Dash FPS. How's the performance of the game? That's how I always do it. Any background? Not really. It's fine. I just need to make it like black, I guess. It's easier for me to monitor, huh? So the game manager, it's missing in that. So you just put that in. Good to go. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, first of all, let's push this. VR advertising interactions. Let's see if everything is working well. I got my secondary PC here. I'm in room 934. I'm gonna be joining in. I'm in. Hi. Hello. Just gonna go to module A. Looking good. Synchronizing well. How about this? B, synchronizing well. How about this? Can't really see that. That, I'm not sure if it's synchronized or not. Don't think it will be synchronized. Alright, so I gotta double check on that. Not sure if I can just do it on the script itself or what, but now I gotta update a few things on my ClickUp. Fixed quite a few things already. Fix by following Valim's tutorial. To do where is my N? Oh. main camera is actually turned off and it's still working, huh? This is an important part of my discovery for today. I have that, and I have what's the ingredient to update? Make sure things I have this. Went it on there. Let's comment that. Complete. Go to my interactions. Immediately, immediately works after creating another XR origin. The component itself that's working. GameObject. I'm sure if component is this things template comment complete. That's a big note to myself. Chime audio and Interactor, no, not yet. Small task. Okay, this is one of the template that I saw. I think the others should know. UI. Okay. So I just added these 3 things that I might need to work on my data collection. Now this is the main reason of it. Get a data. Yeah, actually I just need to delete that. Duration of chime interaction, number of chimes, touch vibrate duration, touch color feedback. This is almost there. Vibrate duration, not soon. But what I want to do soon is this: haptic touch amount, TV interaction amount, and the color changing tube amount. Number of chimes doesn't really make sense. Duration of chime interaction, can't really haptic touch vibrate duration. This one might be possible, so I'm just gonna push this up a bit over there. Okay, what else did I miss? So we got that. It's good. What I want to do now is okay, before I go into calculating all of that, I just want to quickly try if it's possible for me to actually also try to duplicate the VR setup on how it maps the position. It maps the position of the hand position and head position so that you can see it in network, because as of now you can't really see when the desktop player is moving around its head, you know, which is not so nice, honestly. We got a capsule, we got a B-bot, because the B-bot here should follow. Oh, that's not nice at all. Oh my goods. Yeah, actually the scale shouldn't be disturbed at all, you know. 1 and 1. B-bot. 0.2. 0.2. Yep. This capsule. Why do I have a separate capsule? I am not sure, so I'm just gonna delete it. So I already have this. It provides so the B-bot here, its job is just to follow the main camera's position. So to have that, we used to have this. What if I just put it under there? Okay. Well, that's not my problem. So it always follows the. This is just a capsule just to control that it doesn't go anywhere that you're not supposed to go. Play UI, so play UI, don't want to see that. The VR player doesn't really need a UI, so it's fine for now. Let's give it a try. Desktop player camera. Let's give that a quick try. Just gotta update on my laptop here. Okay. This has been one crazy ride. See your own head, other people can. Six straight 9. Cool. No, it's not really following it. Cannot set field of view on camera. Camera while VR is enabled. It's okay. Just a warning. Doesn't work. It's much more worse because now it's not even following the rotation. So I guess the B-bot has to be outside of everything, right? So what it does is has to follow the player capsule's position, but it has to follow the. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's just copy this. Where is the direct transform came from? Oh yeah. So in update, map position, I need the transform of the head. And I need the, actually I don't need a head rig. Yeah, actually I can. So the head rig is equals to transform dot find nope, I don't need this actually. I'm just gonna directly copy it. So the head I don't need, there's no hand animations here. Let's just give this a try. That should be about it. But instead of calling it head, a body, player body reference. I think sounds more appropriate in this case. So we got a player body here. We got this here. This guy has its own photon view, which is good. B-bonnet, its own photon transform view. So it will automatically be added here. And also this guy's transform view. So both of them should be added here. No, it's not. Why is it not? Okay, I'm just gonna give it a try. I'm not really sure if that's gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a try and see if the head of the facilitator is actually following the camera's movement. If that works, then it's great. This is what I want to see. At least for both players, they know what each of them are looking at. Seven 114. Oh, it's not following it. Oh, it's not good. Oh, why did you say some null reference not set an instance of an object? Why does it say that? What's not set? Line 49. Okay, interesting. Line 49. On the player setup, line 49, it's oh, that's a big no-no. Actually need two of them. One is map position, the other one is map location. Reason being is position reference. Oh, this is private? Why is it private? That's why it's not set. It doesn't know. It doesn't know what to map. Did I included that? Oh, I did not. So I can actually just give this a try. Wait it out, having to sign in. That's what I want to do. Okay, so how do I do that? First of all, I need to assign it properly. Position reference. It's this guy. Rotation reference is this guy, right? So now let's go to the prototype scene. Just gonna make everything work nicely, I guess. Let's hope so. So okay. All right. Let's drag in the desktop player here. Let's press play. Open up the console. It doesn't like that. Because both of this has a transform view, but I thought it was being monitored by this guy. This is what I don't get though. Do I need to add on both of them? So it's just a mess if you ask me. It's not updating the position. It's not updating it. What was moving actually? Was it the main camera that's moving, or is it the play follow camera that's moving? Huh. Questionable indeed. How's the main camera? Is the main camera moving at all? Yes, it is. It's actually moving. So what if the position reference is also the main camera? It's still not moving, dude. It's just really blowing my mind. It's really blowing my mind. It's not updating because Photon view is not mine. There you go. Now it's actually following the position of the camera. Good. Good, but the rotation is not. It's not correct. Play body rotation. Because I'm still mapping the position. I did not map the rotation. It's just confusing, but it's okay. It's just such a small mistake from me. So, but again, this is running on hey, that looks way better. So you can see that, right? You can see it's looking at where the mouse cursor is pointing. Okay, this is an important thing that I need to add. Crosshair. Crosshair is really important. So let's just quickly add an image in the middle. Let's put let's get knob. Usually a knob is fine, but just want to see how does this look like. Looks like a button, maybe 0.5. Okay, I'm gonna get used to the habit of using 2021 by turning that on. 0.2. Yeah, it looks way better, right? So just by having that alone makes your life way easier to where you are looking at. Cool. Let's just overwrite this. Try to push it. Try to push it into plastic. Layer setup and crosshair edit. I'm really not sure. It might work, it might not work. Oh dude, I'm not supposed to save it. What an idiot. Okay, so I was checking out on the laptop side just now. So the laptop it's about to sign in. VR is signing in. VR is in, and let's just go back a bit. So we can see the player. Oh, that's wrong. Disable start in VR. We do not want to start in VR. Quickly check on the console. I'm gonna join room 523. Boom. Oh, it works. No way. I can see where I'm looking, huh? Nice. Okay, can you look over here? I'm looking right now. Yeah, if I press right click, it should like come out line render. That'd be pretty cool. How does the XR Origin did the line render in the first place? Curious. Let's see if I still have the line renderer. Yeah, we got the Ray Interactor here, right? Don't really care about that one. Can I just put a line renderer here? Can I just copy this too? Okay, I'm just gonna copy this line renderer, put it under the main camera here. Wrong position, but it's fine. And also, do I need this as an interactive line visual? I'm just gonna copy it. So that, ding, you can see where I'm looking at. Why is it at 1.375? What's controlling it? Corner, corner, nip, 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 nip. Okay, let's give it a try then. Over at my prototype scene. See if that works. I don't see the line renderer. It's not good. Okay, so for some reason, I think this thing is causing it to disallow. I need to study more on how this works. As of now, let's just make it simple. So that I have a cylinder. Line guidance. Line guidance. Sorry, I need to study more on how line render works. So I'm just gonna make it go down by, let's say, not go down, maybe go up by 0.5. Is that correct? Nope, still not correct. 0.75. Maybe that's the amount of where you start. Yep, just one. Boom, you get the perfect bottom. Okay, so the 0.1, 0.1, 0.05, 0.05, 0.01, 0.01. Length 2. Whoa. 1. What? Oh, okay. It's good. Try to keep it as in the middle as possible. So that it. You see what I'm pointing? There is a better way of doing this actually. If I put some rate cast and that thing just follows the position of where I'm pointing or where I'm looking at. Should I do that? Where I can just calculate the normals on the position of where I'm looking at. I could. Let's just check it out. I have a previous project that I did it with. I'm going to talk about this project soon, I hope. I'm really excited about this project. So yeah, let's just wait for it to open up and I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. Okay, so this was another project that I'm working on, so I copied a bit of a script that I already did there. So let's try to do this how I did it before. Just gonna put this aside. Even look at crosshair target. Okay, so if I put a sphere, let's size it down to like 0.2 maybe, and put it as a crosshair target. Camera is here. So what this script does is it's actually just transforming the position of whatever it is that I attach this script to the location of where the raycast is hitting out. So the maximum distance, if it doesn't detect anything, it's 1,000. So let's see if this works. Let's just give it a color sphere. Let's put it as a blue glow. Put it at 0.1 and see if that works. Oh, whoa. There's a collider that's pushing it back. I think it works. There you go. So you see what I'm showing here right now, it's just that this makes it easier for the facilitator to point out where they are looking at. Can you grab this object here? So that's a way of for the facilitator to let the user know, hey, there's an object here. Alright, but instead of creating it as a sphere, I'm gonna create it as a quad. Alright, I need an image of a crosshair. Okay, where can I find an image of a crosshair? Or just go to the other project I've been working on. I have crosshairs there, I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this. Show Explorer. Let's bring that in. Just call it crosshair. So by doing this, I actually don't need the I don't need a crosshair anymore. Hide this. I put this. I'm gonna put this in. Very nice. Delete that guy. This is way too huge. And 0.1 maybe. Oh, it's way too big. It's still way too big. Alright, let's just give it a try. Don't like that. It's okay. Or should I use the other one? I have two scripts actually that I imported. Another one is object position. Object reference. What is it used for? The reference is a camera. Okay, look at. Okay, I get it now. I get how to make it work. So this is a bit wrong. So I need another one called just an empty game object. Just call it as a crosshair target. All right, got it. So what you do is you copy this crosshair target script. Yeah, component is new. Got that. So the actual crosshair, we don't use this actually. We use the object position. So what is the reference? It's the crosshair target, and also you want to get the rotation. Okay. So save that. Try to play it. It's gonna work a lot better now. Whoa, it's not really turning out how I want it to be. Why is it not actually? Do I stop getting the rotation? Isn't the rotation should be based on okay, so I need an aim reference where it gets the position of the camera for some reason. Crosshair as under the aim reference. Crosshair target do not get the rotation. So weird. I kind of forgot how this works. Yep, it's behaving really weird. If I do not get the rotation, I think Dilmer has one of the tutorial to do this. I should refer to that, but this would be really helpful. This is based on that. On this, it's almost there, honestly. And look at that. See? But when it's here, the normals is not how I imagine it. Before I go and find I did tutorials, I just want to see if I can remember how I did it before. Somewhere here. There you go. Hit point target. Not really sure. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go find Dilmer. Dilmer is another one of the best tutorials you can find out there. The one that I saw was quite an old tutorial. Oh, that's cool. Net code. No, I'm not gonna use net code. Okay, Dilmer, come on, Dilmer, give me something. XR toolkit. Man, you have way too many videos. XR interaction. Okay. Okay, you know what? For now, let's just skip that. I'm not gonna waste a lot of my time just doing this. So I'm just gonna create a sphere again. 0.1. 0.1. Let's just call it sphere. Of course, here. This works as of now. Not as nice as I imagined, but do. Honestly, it's really helpful. Can you grab this object? That's what the facilitator would ask. Again, I made a mistake. Remove the collider. Can you grab on this object over here? Cool. So this guy has a... I don't trust it. For some reason, it doesn't work for me. I need to add both photon view and as well as a photon transform view. Okay, looks good so far. Okay, well, the next thing is just override it. Now let's give it a try. Desktop here, crosshair position. I should have added that. Facilitator functions. Over, up, down. Crosshair position. Up there for patient reference. So this is good for me to remember that I've added this. The main camera, got a sphere crosshair. This is a matter of adding a crosshair target. Done. I can close this for now. Close this as well. I'm gonna close the hub. I've already pushed that. Just gonna pull it on this side. Update. That was quick. You see that? Do you see that? Oh, that's so cool. Now you see exactly what I'm looking at. Can you see that? I'm looking at the camera right here. There's a pointer. That's it, synchronized. It's not synchronized perfectly though. I'm pointing downwards, and it's not really pointing downwards. I'm pointing at the table. It's not doing that as well. Well, that is very interesting. Let's just change the module. Does it still detect there? Yep. It's detecting the height, but again. Okay, got it now. Okay, fun fact. It's not working. Due to the reason is because it's also the same as it does not have a reference. Not really sure about the position. Kind of need to know that. Okay, no worries. Let's just modify this a bit. Crosshair. I'm gonna continue. Cool. That's confusing because I don't need the position reference. I just need the rotation. The position is being overwritten. So the reason I need to do this is because disable in what's it called, in multiplayer. So I need to let them know that I need to somehow reference the rotation of the main camera even though it's disabled. Okay, but I don't think I need to put this view crosshair inside the desktop layer though. I might just put it outside. Okay. Okay, does it still work though? Should do. Should work. Good. Works. Might not seem like much, but it's so exhausting to do this. I got this. Let me go back a bit. Oops. It's not working. It does not. It does not register the movement. Okay. I got it. In that case, I'm gonna reference it directly to the player avatar, because the player avatar is sending its position, right? So I don't really need the map rotation anymore. Just change it back to as it was. Okay, I'm gonna end my stream soon. There's a quick rest. Need to get back on it tonight just to register some of the interaction counters. It's looking pretty good so far. Nope. Just boom, like that. So yeah. Let's try to go to scenes. Prototype scene. Last one that I'm doing for today. Still works, still the same. Okay, but now it's just referencing the B-bot instead of the camera. So crosshair reference B-bot. Let's go back to lobby. Spoil it. I really hope future Hamdan would appreciate what I did today. Easier to reference, but I don't know how to break this down in the future though. Where do I start? Why would I want to look at this certain stream or this certain stream? I'm not sure. That's okay, I'll figure it out. Might need to rename or put some description to help me out. So boom. Man. Oh, there you go, now it works. Yay. Look at that. Now you can see exactly where I'm looking at. Ta-da. So cool. I pointed out my hand. Can you like point it on my hand? No, there's no colliders on my hand. Yay, I see it. Yay, pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so let's just check that out. Oops, that's wrong. Okay, alright, I think I'm gonna end my stream now. Thanks for watching, guys.